Hi.
Hi. Is Frank here?
No.
I'm Doug.
Okay.
Frank's brother.
Oh, I see. Yeah, Frank's not here yet, but he should be here any time. You can come in and wait if you want.
Yeah, okay. It's okay.
That bird always just stays on your shoulder like that?
Yeah. His name is Tiberius.
Tiberius. Huh.
He's a fisher's lovebird.
Nice. He's, cute.
They're a type of parrot. They come from northwest Tanzania, that's just south of Lake Victoria.
Cool. He never flies away?
No, he likes to sit on my shoulder.
How long have you had him?
About 15 years.
Wow, I didn't know they lived that long.
They can live to be 20 or even 30.
That's amazing. I had no idea they could live that long.
Well, of course they can. Silly.
Okay. Why don't you follow me upstairs?
It's really hot in here. Lovebirds are originally from Africa. European explorers discovered them in the early 1600s, and the red face and the peach face are the ones they first brought back.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. The fisher species was discovered and brought back in the early 1900s.
Huh.
They are identified by their green color and red face and little yellow dots. Did you like guacamole?
What?
Guacamole.
Yeah, sure.
Guacamole would kill Tiberius. Avocados are very poisonous to birds. Bet you didn't know that.
No, I didn't.
Oh, and coffee. And chocolate.
Does he ever shit on your shoulder?
What a horrible thing.
Damn it.
What?
Derek always forgets his keys. You can go in and wait if you want. I'll be right back. Frank will be here any minute.
Oh, I got it. It's for me.
Iceman, what are you working on today?
Oh, we're doing a piece for a wedding. A big-ass ice bride and groom.
Cool. I'll have to come see it later.
Okay, come on up.
Oh my God. What happened? Are you okay? What happened?
I was too hot. Tiberius.
Stay here. Stay here. Oh shit. Oh my God.
my brother's in shock.
He seems pretty upset.
Tiberius was like his best friend. He took him everywhere. He's had him since we were kids. He was like his only friend.
All he talked about was that little bird the whole way up here.
There's feathers in my bass. Who's that guy?
What the hell happened here?
Frank's brother. And he turned the fan on with his bird on his shoulder. And it sucked it in.
Oh my God. What happened to the bird?
I had to use a drumstick to scrape him out of the fan.
You used my drumstick?
I put him in the pizza box.
This is so fucked up. I mean, it looks like someone had a pillow fight in here. Hey, where are the hot babes?
You guys, it's not funny.
I've never seen anything like this in my life.
Let's just settle. Frank, why don't you get Doug out of here and we'll try to clean up these feathers.
He can hear you. Hey, wait. Wait a minute. We should save these for our video.
Oh my God.
Ha